Hello everybody, and today we're going to carry on our exploring of rocks. Now last time we looked at all the different types of rocks and we thought about what they looked like, what they felt like. We thought about their shapes and their colours and their size. Today I want to think a little bit more about different rocks and how they're made. Today, let's look at sedimentary rocks. Now, I have a sedimentary rock. Do you remember from last time? Can see this is the one that looked all stripy. They are called layers. Now, sedimentary rocks are made of lots and lots of layers in the ground. Shall I show you what that looks like? So, sedimentary rocks are made of lots of layers on the ground. Normally you find them near rivers and the sea. I've got some layers here, and over a long time more layers are added like this. And then some more, and they are all normally different colours and different materials. This one is sand I'm adding to the top, can you see? And quite often you get soil. Let's see, can you see? Inside my cup are all those layers. Now at the moment, they're not fixed together like a rock. You can move them, because something else has to happen to those layers. Normally, you get lots of water from the river or the sea or the rain. Makes all these layers really wet. Can you see how the water's going down and changing the colour and the way the layers look? It's going to go all the way down. And then there's normally something else that happens. A big force pushes all those layers together so that they stick down. Now this happens over a very long period of time, hundreds of years. So let's add our big force pushing those layers down to make a sedimentary rock. Now, hundreds and hundreds of years later, people come along and those rocks get broken up by the river or by the sea and they float off, and then you find the rocks like this that we saw before, the ones with stripes in. That's how sedimentary rocks are made. We can have a go at making our own. Would you like to try? To make your own sedimentary rocks at home, all you need is this, some Play-Doh. You do need lots of different colours. I've got pink and I've got purple, orange and blue. The first thing we need to do is roll the Play-Doh into little balls. Can you see? And then we're going to squash them flat between our hands and our fingers to make a layer. I have a blue layer. Let's make a orange layer and a purple layer and a pink layer. When you've got lots of layers, you can stack them up like this by putting one more on top each time. Doesn't matter which order or which colours they come. So there are all my different layers of sediment. Let me see. You can see all the different colours. There's a purple and there's blue. I can see some orange and some pink. Oh, I see some more purple, more orange. But it's not yet a rock because they're all still loose. They can all come apart. That doesn't happen in sedimentary rocks. They need to be all stuck together. So we need that big force. So I'm going to use my hands and squash them together as hard as I can to make one big sedimentary rock. Now it's quite tricky to see all of those colourful layers, so we can cut it using a knife to see what's inside. There you go, I've cut mine in half. Can you see all those stripy rainbow layers? It's just like that sedimentary rock that we looked at more closely last week. You can see all the stripes in there. You can have a go at making your own sedimentary rocks at home. Remember to make lots and lots of layers and use that big force to squash them down to make a rock. And when you cut it open or break it open like this, you'll be able to see all of those layers inside. Have fun exploring sedimentary rocks, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.